Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact file and where it lives. Open the folder and note the full path. Once done, check size, owner, and last modified time so you know it's the damaged item. Make sure to close apps that might lock the file. This prevents deletion errors. If you suspect malware, isolate the machine or disconnect from the network to avoid spread. These quick checks save time and explain why later commands will succeed without permission or lock conflicts. You now attempt removal with standard tools. Use an elevated terminal and issue a delete command or move it to the recycle bin. If deletion fails, run a file unlocker or check Process Explorer to stop the locking handle. Terminate that handle and retry. When the file system shows errors, run chkdsk or fsck to repair metadata, because corrupted file tables often block deletion. Once the lock is released and metadata fixed, delete again. This sequence resolves most broken file obstacles without data loss. You finish by verifying the file is gone and emptying the recycle bin, or perform a secure wipe when sensitive. If you need the content, restore from backup, or recreate the file with corrected permissions to prevent recurrence. If deletion still fails, boot into safe mode or use rescue media to operate outside the normal OS. This avoids locks and malware interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if everything else fails, check hardware health. Failing drives often present as persistent, unremovable broken files.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.